Now, when you're with the customer, what you want to do is show them our foundation rail system. This is a proprietary patent that we have. What's better, to hang on something or to stand on something? Obviously to stand. So we created a foundation that our closet sits on. We're the only one in the industry that actually sits on top of a foundation rail rather than hanging on something. So in order to create a demo that we can do right in any location, we needed to create two walls. Now if you look here, this is corner brackets. They just latch together. And all you have to do is push the wall together. Now that we've actually got our clips in place, you can show them that our unique partitions have no top or no bottom. These little clips, they're actually put into pre-drilled holes, so nothing could spread or want to separate this board. We don't have a left or right or top or bottom. All you have to simply do is put them in place and slide it. This one here has finished trim boards already applied. Normally these would be applied afterwards. There's normally a gap between here and the wall on any installation. The finished trim board will take up that difference. Our finished trim board will act like a scribe molding that covers that gap by the wall. Now what's unique about our clips, if you look at this clip here, it's got little barbs on it. If you stick that in to a hole, it sticks up about 5 degrees. If you push down on that, it doesn't want to come out. It actually locks into place. So again, take a look at that. It's got the little barbs. And when you push down, that actually locks into place. Now with that being said, now we're going to apply shelves. The best way to apply these shelves is to look at the back and make sure the back is in place, and then tilt it forward. Now the shoe shelf is going to have a smaller distance and a larger distance. The larger distance goes in back. And again, you want to make sure you're in the back holes and then tilt down and lock it in place. Always want to make sure those clips are pushed in to the shelf. Our proprietary twin beam shelf can span all the way up to 4 feet. And if you turn it upside down, we're the only shelf in the industry that's a shoe shelf standard where you don't have to buy additional parts. Now our 3/4 shelf that would replicate most closets in the industry still has a maple edge, just like these have a maple edge. The same double bead profile to make it look a lot more like custom cabinetry or furniture. We're the only one in the industry that has a face frame that looks like cabinetry. We call it our twin beam shelf. There's a solid 1.5 inch maple front and back that replicates like a face frame. Now if you wanted to add an oval rod, you just use simply the oval rod ends and drop them into place. And it's that simple to build a closet right in front of your customer. To give them an idea of the patented foundation rail system, our unique finished trim boards that make any partition, left, right, top, or bottom, become a finished end, which uniquely covers the holes. And these styles and rails replicate the flat panel overlay decorative door panel in the cabinet industry. It shows a twin beam, shoe shelf, standard shelf, and a rod. Good luck selling.